Hey guys, it's Sarah from Snacks and Crafts. Today we're continuing on our crochet video series, I guess. So today we're gonna do a double crochet, and I already had a video of like introductory. My dog's walking into the room, so if you hear her, that's her. An introduction to crochet, and then also single stitch. So today we're going to do double crochet, and this is the American version because there's different names for stitches if you do the UK names. So I don't know what the UK names are without having to look it up. I want to say half double. I don't know. If I make a guess, I'm going to be wrong, so we're just not going to go into it. So that was a slip stitch, and now I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2. Told y'all I wasn't a pro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I said I was going to chain 10. We're actually going to chain 11 because this 11th stitch is our build up to the next row. It's our height stitch. And so we're going to go back into the 10th stitch to do, let's review single crochet since I'm already doing this. So this is actually a single crochet stitch. So we've got, that was single crochet. Let's back up. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So I have 11 chains. I'm gonna chain one more because I need 12 because we're doing double crochet. And I forgot. So our 10 stitches, our first 10 stitches are like the foundation. The last two, 11 and 12, are the two height stitches for double crochet. You just need one if you're doing single crochet. You need two if you're doing double or half double crochet. But we're gonna do double. So with double, you're going to, this is how we're going to start the stitch. Our goal is to go into this hole right here. So we've got stitch 12, stitch 11, we're going to go into 10. You want to make sure you have these. So we're going to go here. Anyway, so for a single stitch, you would go in and then loop around. But for double, we're gonna pick up a loop and then go into our stitch. So see, there we go. So now we're in our stitch, and then we're gonna yarn over, pull through. So we have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. That is a first. And then yarn over, pull through, that is our double. So our single, double crochet. We're gonna do it again. So you're gonna be picking up a lot of yarn to get that height. So pick it into the next stitch. I only got 1, but I need 2. See, I only got 1 from that stitch. I need to make sure I get 2. Yarn over, pull through. We have 3. Yarn over, pull through. That is our first half of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. That is our double crochet. So I'm gonna try and do this in full speed in the camera. Oh, I messed up on that one. Okay. So yarn over. Through, yarn over, pull through. I got my 3, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay. This first row is the hardest because you're going into this skinny little chain. It's like the worst. I can never, it's not gonna be pretty. It's gonna look like junk, and that's okay. The important thing is to just get your stitches on here to build a proper foundation. If you Now, depending on what pattern you're working with, if you're just making something up, you could just do like a single crochet. That's okay too. Let's see. All right, a few more narration stitches. Sorry, got into the crochet groove. All right, so again, to start the stitch, we're gonna be parallel, wrap around, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have our 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our double crochet. Did I get that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that should be good. All right. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's number 9, and then our last stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our 10 stitches. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ha-ha! All right, so then we're gonna turn our work, and we're going to chain stitch 2. 1, 2, and that's our height. That's our height stitch. Gets us up to the next row. And then we're gonna do it again. Look into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Sorry. So parallel, yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our other stitch. And so you just keep going, and then you'll have your double crochet. And my work's gonna twist. But yeah, that is how you double crochet, American definition. Next video we're gonna do half double crochet. Thank you for watching, and please let me know any questions, comments, concerns. Be happy to hear from you guys. Thanks, bye.